Are you filming this? This will be my second time flying a fixed wing. You want to give it a test? You ready?
Okay.
Hold it. Don't let it fly. I'm going to just do a test.
Okay, 3/4.
Okay. You
3/4.
3/4.
And then about 1/4 up.
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh.
That's not up. That's just throttle. This is up.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Gotcha.
Okay, airplane.
Yeah, got it.
3/4 throttle, 1/4 up. You
Yep.
ready?
Yep.
More up.
Got it.
And the right stick is your ailerons to
I
bank
got
your
it.
wings.
Yep. Just gonna land on the roof and you'll never see it again. This is awesome.
Hey guys, I'm Bill at channel WHN3, and I want to tell you about an awesome weekend I had. Ken Herron, for his birthday, organized the What the FPV event in Brownsville, Tennessee. And let me tell you something, it was an awesome day. I met lots of great people. I learned a few things, and just enjoyed watching FPVs. I myself am a camera drone flyer, and there's plenty of those to go around, and took some great footage.
everybody doing on
So I got these
time?
going
You guys
through
all
the screen.
to hang out for a while? Okay.
The game changer is that I was blessed to have won a set of FPV goggles and a remote and the air unit by DJI. This was a prize that was sponsored by Kelly Shores over at Ready Set Drone. So he's the one that I had to thank, and a big shout out to Kelly Shores over at Ready Set Drone.